You're probably enjoying AC right now. But what if I told you? The ancient Romans had it first. 2,000 years ago, Roman engineers cooled their villas without electricity. In the homes of the rich, thick stone walls kept the rooms naturally cool. But they didn't stop there. They built underground air tunnels, and even ran cold water pipes through their walls. Breezes flowed through shaded halls. Water chilled the air. No wires, no compressors, no fans. Just clever Roman engineering. Ancient Romans had air conditioning before it was cool.
If your brain just did a backflip, smash like to unbreak history. Ring so I'll haunt your feed. Share to traumatize a friend.